Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's video I'll be showing you guys the latest updates on the Nodepay airdrop farming that we've been doing so far. But before I get into this update video, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, Nodepay is an airdrop that we've been doing so far on this channel, and I've been giving you guys back-to-back updates. And now the latest update is the one I'm about to share with you guys today, because Nodepay officially announced today that the Nodepay airdrop checker is live. Our first airdrop marks the beginning of Nodepay, a decentralized AI-driven movement where millions worldwide are rewarded for shaping and owning the future of AI. Now, those who are eligible are those who have connected their wallet, they've done the proof of humanity medal before December 5, and they are able to rack up 100 Nodepay points. They are the ones eligible for this particular airdrop. And right now, according to Nodepay as well, they said the checker only reflects the allocation for season 1 and season 0, that the current ongoing season 2 is not included. And most importantly, the part where we have to talk about is that they also mentioned that the total supply will be 1 billion Nodepay tokens. Now, the team has released the total supply for us, and with this total supply, we will be able to know the possible price prediction, which I'll be giving you later in this video. But for now, let me show you guys how you can check your Nodepay airdrop allocations. Now, once you've logged into your Nodepay dashboard and it is displaying all your points and everything whatsoever, you are going to see a yellow icon on top that says check airdrop, and you are going to click on check airdrop. Now, once you click on the check airdrop, it is going to display this particular message. Congratulations, you are eligible to receive the Nodepay airdrop. Then it's going to display your wallet address and your season 1 and season 0 Nodepay tokens as well. Now, like they said before, the season 2 bonus was not added, so it's just the allocation for the season 1 and the season 2. And right here on my own platform, the check airdrop dashboard is right up above. So all you have to do is that once you log into your dashboard, go to the right side corner of your particular web page, and then you click on the check airdrop. And like I said, it's going to bring out your allocation. And for me, I was allocated 145 Nodepay tokens, which is the NC tokens. So please guys, if you are farming Nodepay and you are into this project, the allocation checker is live. Go and check your allocations right now so that you can see the number of NC tokens you are getting. Now let's get to the most important part of the video, which is the price prediction. Now, to calculate the possible prices for this particular token, remember guys, the price is always the FDV divided by the total supply. Now, like I used to do in most of my previous video, I am going to create a possible range of FDV the project might have raised, and I'm going to use that over the total supply to calculate the potential price. Now, if the FDV is $50 million, we are looking at a price of 0.05. For 80 million, we have 0.08. 100 million, we have 0.1. 300 million, we have 0.30. 500 million, we have 0.50. 800 million, we have 0.80. So for me personally, on this Nodepay project, I'm expecting a price of 0.05 to 0.80. That is my price range for this particular project. So please guys, whatever you get, though the team has not announced whether they'll be vesting our tokens for now, so if the team is giving us full tokens 100%, I think it might be a very nice project that might cook. But however, if the team comes up and say they'll be vesting part of our tokens, we'll need to reconsider and then recalculate and reevaluate our profit potential. But that aside, let me show you guys one more thing that it is interesting for you guys to know right now. Is that if you head over to your BitGet trading app and you move over to the sports section and you type in NC, you get to see Nodepay already listed in the sports section for Bitget, which means that probably soon, most likely by this week or at least early January next year, Nodepay will be listing very soon, because already it is already in the Bitget what sports section. Now you can click on the Nodepay ticker, then you click on withdraw, then you click on on-chain withdraw, and you get to see that right here that 15 Nodepay tokens is worth $1.49. Now, which means that if you are able to do some calculations, even from this, you'll be able to get the potential price of Nodepay. Well, this isn't really entirely confirmed, because at this price is looking at Nodepay might list around $0.09 most probably. But that is just the update for you guys. So if you are farming this project, go and check your dashboard now and look for your allocations. And also remember, the Nodepay is already in the Bitget what spot section, which means that very soon we might get a spot listing of Nodepay tokens. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.